Before you join BYTNEX, I want you to read this comment from one of BYTNEX member who is already frustrated. I was watching some videos on YouTube about BYTNEX and I came across this comment. Let me read it for you. It says, all 36 of our DeFi contracts are being converted into 2 DeFi 24 contracts 1 month prior to their scheduled payout. All DeFi 60 and DeFi 84 contracts are currently showing a negative balance, and every single one of them has already been running for a full 3 years. Can you hear that? All the contracts this guy purchased has been running for 3 years now, and 1 month for him to get paid. Instead of them paying him, they converted his contract again to start running again without him getting paid after waiting for 3 good years. Can you hear that? Now let me read the next one for you. He said, we have now been informed that all contracts in Europe that are due to mature this year will not be paid out. Let me read it again for you. We have now been informed that all contracts in Europe that are due to mature this year will not be paid out, but rather converted. How does BYTNEX know who is from Europe and who isn't, given that we are all supposed to be anonymous? So this guy here purchased a contract, and when it is time for him to withdraw, they said that they are not going to pay him his money, right? So let me show you another person. Let me show you another comment that I came across on YouTube. He said, I am thinking they don't got their heart. My sponsor don't exist no more, and I believe BYTNEX is gone. No concrete word from nobody. Right? This is exactly what I found on YouTube. People are already frustrated, complaining about this platform called BYTNEX. When I made my first video about this platform, I showed you some red flags, pointing out that this platform is not a reliable source of income. I am making this video because most people now believe that BYTNEX is a lifesaver, but it can be the opposite of it if you don't take time. Now, once again, let me show you another comment from another person. Look at this guy here. He said, I still haven't got my withdrawal. It has been 2 weeks. Now this guy, his contract has matured. He has placed for withdrawal, and for 2 weeks now, he has not gotten his money. What do you have to say about that? What do you think about this? BYTNEX is a high-risk investment platform, and the worst of it all is that you wait for years before you can get your money. Some people are busy buying contracts, not even 1, not even 2. The ones they have bought have not matured, and they keep buying contracts upon contracts. People are going to cry soon. People are going to cry soon. Mark today's date. People are going to cry soon. Because if anything happens to BYTNEX, most people have invested their whole money in this particular platform. I know that most people are going to attack this video, but what I am telling you right here in this video is what I have actually seen. I have showed you all the evidence that I have found, right? I have showed you all the evidence that I have found online. So if you are still thinking of joining this platform, I believe that this video has given you all you need to know about this platform and what is actually going on this platform. So you need to think twice. Alright, I am going to stop here for now. If you enjoyed watching this video, go ahead and click the like button and like this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also turn on that notification bell so that whenever I upload more videos like this, you will be the first to get notified by YouTube.